Hi everyone. So yeah, I have already done my skincare routine and have moisturized my face well. So we'll start with the makeup now. So the first step is to prime your face. Lightly pat the product on your skin so your skin absorbs it well. Now it completely depends on you whether you want to use a foundation or BB cream. Today I'll be using a foundation. Along with this I'll be using the concealer from the same range. Now I'll apply some concealer on my under eye. Now we'll set this all with a face powder. If you have dry skin and you don't feel the need to do it, then skip this part, but I have oily skin and I need to set it all. I'll be using a big fluffy brush to set it. Next I'll use this trio from Makeup Revolution to bronze my face. I've used this product a lot and I really like this, and I'm so sad that I broke it. I like to use a fan brush to contour. I'll be using this blush from Odbo. Also, I'll link all the products in the description bar. What I like to do is I'll take my brush and I'll swirl it through all the products so I can get a bit of everything. Just put it on the apples of the cheek. I'll use the highlighter from the same trio and I'll use this small fan brush to apply it. Now comes the most important part, which are the eyes. So when I'm wearing glasses, I don't do any eye makeup with eyeshadow and stuff. My trick is to use a nice bold colored kajal or liner. I normally like to use royal blue, electric blue, shades like these so that they can bring a pop of color which is visible through the lenses. For eyes, I'll start with using a little bit of bronzer and apply it all through my lid for even color. I'll be using this colored pencil from Sugar and apply it as an eyeliner. We normally think that if you're wearing glasses, our brows are not much visible, so we should just skip it. But no, you should always do your eyebrows. If you're not doing it, then start doing them, start filling them, because it makes a huge difference. Biggest problem on putting mascara while I'm wearing glasses is that if I put too much of the product, then it will just elongate my lashes and it will bang against my lens of the glass, and some of the product usually comes off to the glass also. So what I like to do is I apply a very thin layer of mascara and let it air dry for as much time as possible. Because after that, if I wear because after the product is completely dried off, if I put on glasses, it does not come off. Now I'll take this mascara from Sugar and apply a light layer of it. Now to finish off the eye look, I'll take some highlighter from the same trio and I'll apply it on the inner corner and on the brow bone to highlight these areas and complete the look. and we're done with the eyes. Now we'll finish off this entire look with a nude lips. I'll be layering this with another lipstick from Sugar.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then give it a big fat thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.